Hey guys, so today I'm going to come to you with the full-on tutorial on how to tie your wrap and attach one of your pieces. So starting with your wrap, you got the two in the middle, two on the side. And yesterday I mentioned, start with your hair pinned up or low ponytail, bun, whatever works for you. But all you're going to do is slide the wrap on a little bit past your nape. Then for these two outer ones, you're going to kind of go up in an upwards motion, but all you're going to do is cross it over. Don't tie a knot or anything like that, just cross it over. Turn it around and then you tie it in a knot. So I like, when I'm attaching one of the pieces, I like to do this part and I tie 2 knots on this one. Then you got the front. Looking crazy, but it's gonna work out. And you wanna pull those down to close up any gaps. You don't wanna have any gaps up here. Then you're gonna take your piece. So today I'm gonna work with the rose. And so you wanna fluff it out. So when I fluff it out, I just put my fingers in the middle and, move it around till I get the liking that, how I like it. And once you get it to your liking, there we go. On the back, you can hold it any way you want, but how you're going to insert your tails, these 2 tails in the top, in the middle, it's going to go down like a V. So one tail through this one tail through this one, and both tails through the middle. So that's all you have to do. So get my 2 tails. So one and down the middle. And then the other one, and then down the middle. I broke my nail, and I don't know how to work without nails. All right. And then once you have it attached, slide it on up. So once you slide it on up, take these 2 tails, tie it behind your back. And again, you can double it up here or just tie 1 knot, but I'm going to double it up. I want to make sure it stays in place. Then, this is the most important step. You're going to lift the head wrap up. Gather all those tails. Lift them up, lift up the head wrap, and you're going to tuck it underneath. Then, like we did yesterday, make sure I got everything tucked. This one's left out, but make sure I got everything tucked. Then, like I did yesterday, lifting up the head wrap and pulling it over. And I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm lifting up the head wrap and pulling it over. Make whatever adjustments. Take my ponytail down. And I am done. So yes, you can have all your hair tucked underneath, but remember you have to pin it up first. And yeah, you can have it down like this, but that is my look. And if you don't really want it on your forehead, of course you can push it up. You can push it up, you can turn it to the side, whatever you want to do. But I like mine like this. And all right, bye.